welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some really inexpensive fall/Thanksgiving gift basket ideas. Most of the things are from Marshalls, I think all of them, so I thought that why not share with you some little ideas that you can put together if you have like upcoming Thanksgiving celebrations or anything like that. I love the idea of gift baskets because I feel like if you can put so many different little items in it to make this really amazing gift. So some things that I love to incorporate in a gift basket are like some sort of texture, like a towel and something maybe to eat, a snack, a scent like a candle or diffuser, something like that. I feel like if you can never go wrong with some kind of scent, and it makes the entire gift basket smell really good as well. And then maybe something to drink, maybe like some dried teas or something like that, and other little items that you can add in. So let me share with you 3 little gift basket ideas if you're looking for ideas for Thanksgiving and fall. So first up, I wanted to show you something that I incorporated in all of the gift baskets, and it was this set of napkins. And as you can see, it is fall themed, really beautiful. And why I like something like napkins or towel is because you can drape it over your gift basket and it looks really elegant. It gives it a really nice touch. So a great idea is to buy something that comes with a few in it. So this is a set of 8 napkins, and you can always like take out one and add them to your gift basket. So that is something that is a really good idea because you don't have to buy one, you could just buy in bulk. Next up, I'm a stationery junkie, so I think that adding some sort of stationery item like a notepad with a cute little pen like this is a really nice touch, or for people who love stationery as well. Now onto something to eat. So these are gourmet honey spoons, blueberry and honey, and you would put this in like a drink and mix it together or something and add some flavor to your drinks. Again, this is just a really nice, lovely little touch that you can add to a gift basket that anyone will appreciate. You guys, look at this candle. It is so pretty. It comes in a little cup. I think that this is just such a lovely little idea. So if you see anything like this, I think that anybody would love it. It adds that cute little touch. Is that Coco in the back there? I hope she doesn't come near my candle. I am someone who loves to get candles and scented things as gifts, so that's why I always like incorporating something like that. Let me know if you guys are the same. This one was only $5.99, which I think is really good, and it smells literally like cold brew. Like that is the name of it, and that is exactly how it smells. This is such a cute little gift idea. And of course you can put everything into a little crate box like this, and that is a really cute little inexpensive gift idea. Okay, next up, let us look at this gift box. If you don't have like a crate or something, you can definitely use some sort of box cover and fill it with some shredded paper, and it looks really good. So these are really great on the budget ideas, so you don't have to go out and get like a basket or a crate or something like that. You can use something that you already have at home and it will be just as fine. So I wanted to show you again the little towel draping down there. That's always a really nice touch, and it incorporates texture in your gift box. So first up is this cute little pumpkin themed notepad, and look at the pumpkin details on top of here, like the little pumpkin cut out and then the notepad itself. I think it's a really nice touch again for fall/Thanksgiving. Cannot have something to eat, so this is sea salt caramels. Look how cute the packaging is. The little bow on top here, the little details like that. I think it's absolutely stunning. And again, who doesn't like to have something to eat? And last up, again with the theme of scents, this is a sand and fog diffuser. The scent is Autumn Harvest. First to begin, look at the packaging of it. Like look how pretty the bottle is, and then you have like this little pumpkin themed situation going on here. This will look fabulous on an entryway, something like that. It's just very elegant with the bamboo lid and those little details. I feel like it adds so much. Those were items in my second gift basket. It's just really about adding the little things. You don't have to go all out. You can gather a ton of little inexpensive items to make something really beautiful. Last up is this one, and this is the actual basket type of gift basket, which of course is a really nice touch if it is within your budget. I have to show you the napkin coming out looking so lovely like this. Such a really nice touch. So first up are some little chocolates, again fall themed caramel chocolates. I feel like if fall is just the time for all things caramel. I don't know why, but I'm not personally a fan of caramel. Like, I'm a chocolate gal, but I know that so many people love salted caramel. I just need to get onto the like caramel train. Next up is the cutest little pumpkin mug. It has like a gold foil little pumpkin. How cute is this? And it's like a really big jumbo mug, and look at the inside. It is just filled with pink pumpkins. You guys know that is just right up my alley in life, and this was only $4.99. I feel like if this is really cute, and mugs are a really great addition to any gift basket because some people just really love those mugs, like that mug life. To go with that mug was this cute pumpkin spiced tea leaves and stuff like that. I really love the details, like the slight gold foil in the writing. I just love things that are packaged in glass and you can see through. I feel like if that adds a really nice touch and decor all in one. And last up is a candle. We can't ever forget a scent. I feel like if that is just a must. This one smells so good. It is called Harvest Leaves. It has like a wooden top. I love the orange. It just screams fall, you guys. It goes so well with the rest of my decor. Oh my goodness, it literally makes the entire place smell as if you walked into like this fancy boutique that has those really nice scented candles burning. Like I said, it's a must. So that was what was in this gift basket. You guys, I absolutely need to know which was your favorite gift basket. The first, second, or third one. I love all. I can't choose honestly because once it has those elements of like something to eat or drink as well as like a scent, I'm just a sucker for those things. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it and if it gave you some fun ideas for fall and Thanksgiving, for gift baskets and gifts for your loved ones. Don't forget to also subscribe because I have so much amazing content coming your way that I can't wait for you to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.